Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing the clip and duplicating the layer so you never touch the original. Next, create a precise mask around the dress using a pen or quick mask. This confines changes to fabric only. Once done, refine edges with feather 0. 5.2px and check mattes at 100% zoom to catch stray pixels. Make sure to toggle motion tracking if the subject moves so the mask follows. This step prevents color spill and keeps skin tones intact. Now you perform the actual color swap. Use a color sampling tool to pick the dress base tone, then add a hue/saturation or specialized color replace node and target that sampled hue. Increase tolerance gradually until the whole cloth is affected without touching highlights. Once applied, switch blending modes to color or hue to preserve texture and shadows. Make sure to adjust preserve luminosity so the fabric keeps natural shading. Scrub the timeline to confirm consistency through movement. Finish by refining the result so it looks real. Add subtle curves and selective color adjustments to match highlights and shadows. Introduce tiny grain if the original had noise. Then enable motion tracking and keyframe the mask when the subject moves, checking multiple frames for bleed or hue shifts. Once satisfied, render using the original codec and resolution for best quality. Troubleshooting tip: if color shifts between frames, increase tracking precision or manually keyframe problem sections to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.